Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla and some of the promotion that they have and the ending purchase of the full self-driving. Start of February 14th, so you guys got about 8 days left to consider, to think. But let me tell you about my experience with it. So my Tesla, I have an older model, 2023, so it has hardware 3. However, my brother, he has the hardware 4, and it's amazing. So it's pretty much like from my sister's driveway. He put in the destinations, and it just hit start, and the vehicle back out by itself, and it start to drive us to our destination, and without any hiccup. He didn't have to intervene. The brake was like pretty much is like very smooth, like as if like a human driver, as if we were like we're in a taxi, right? And when it gets to the hospital, it actually, for somehow it's really smart. It actually sees the parking space available, and instead of driving it in, it actually reversed in, and it parked like right in the between. So it was like perfect. I could not have asked for anything better. But okay, so that's my experience with it, and I really love it. And like I said, if you don't mind coughing up $8,000, and go for it. And if you plan to keep on the car for more than 8 years, I think it's it's a no-brainer, right? Or if you're hesitant, you can always just do the options where you subscribe it monthly for $99, right? But the one-time purchase ends February 14. So maybe yesterday I received an email from Tesla stating that we're getting like $50 cheaper if we lease the car. So let's go through it and let's check it out, see how much it is. So you can see here, this is the front page of the Tesla, and their advertising is here. So let's say if we were to go with the order now and see how cheap it is if we were to lease it and finance it. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is a Model Y. Now we have, how many trims they have now? 2, 4, 5 trims right here that we can see, right? So if you were to lease right now, I'm not going to go through all the different models, but just give you a basic price on it for the month. So if you go with the rear-wheel drive, $459 a month, all-wheel drive, $499, and premium rear-wheel drive, $569, and then premium all-wheel drive, $669, and then you get the performance like $799. And this is assuming that you're going to do $3,000 down for 36 months, 10,000 miles per year. So, and this is all depending on, I think you can edit the leasing options and where you can put like the mileage you're going to, let's say maybe 10,000 is too little for you. You can try 12,000, right? Let's see, 12,000. That's going to put you at $481, and the amount due at delivery is $4,176. And if we do 15,000, is 15,000 is more like the average. So you're looking at $502. And then if we can click on the breakdown here, it gives you everything right here, a breakdown, right? About 5,000, 4,200, and you can do that, right? And Tesla also give you a trade-in value too, if you do have a trade-in. And trading through Tesla, I don't think they give you a really good price. For my car right now, the last time I checked, I think they gave me an offer for $24,000. Let's see here. Stealth gray colors included. Wheel 18-inch included. The tow hitch if you want it, then you can add it. Warranties here, nothing changed. Going down here, lease payment, ballpark, edit lease, order with card, right? So, and then they have here, they have 0 APR over here. So let's see, we go back to Model 3. Let's see, order now. Why is it Model Y? Let's see if I want a Model 3. Where is the Model 3? Over here. Where is the Model 3? Here we go. So this is a Model 3. How many trims left we have? They have 4, so 1 less, right? So if you're to lease it, Model 3 right here, premium performance, 2.99%. So edit leasing, update to 0 down percent. So you can just simply see here. So if you can actually do $0 down, but your monthly payment will be higher. So depending on whichever option you're comfortable with, you can go either way. There's no right or wrong, and they do have performance here. Again, we're not going to go through this. Like I said, you can do a one-time purchase, or now they even give you added later options. So, like I mentioned before, Tesla right now is really advertising their full self-driving. And as Elon's mentioned, it's only getting better, right? He's stating that they're building the hardware 5, 6, 7, 8 already. Everything is in the pipeline already. So, but some of the, right now, you might even get like the new 4.5 hardware, right? So who knows? But the thing is with technology is you're going to buy it and you're going to use it. If you keep on telling yourself, I'm going to wait for the hardware 5 to come out and I'm going to buy it, right? By the time the hardware 5 comes out, hardware 6 is going to be maybe 8 months or 12 months down the line. You'll be like, oh man, so I'll just wait another 12 months, right? So why wait for the technology? Just buy it and use it, and and it comes, just upgrade it, trade it in, get another one, right? See what else. Tesla has decided to end the production for the Model X and S. So that's something surprisingly. I didn't expect that, but however, they did say that they're going to end it, and they're going to use the factory to make Optimus, right? Robots. So if you're in the market if you're looking for the Model S and X, maybe this is the time for you to look into it, right? Here you can tell, we're here trading your gas vehicle, you receive 2,000 free supercharging miles and get an estimated order Model X 3.99%, right? That's a pretty nice color. And here again, they give you all the information. I'm assuming that you guys already know what it looks like and stuff already, right? So we're not going to go over that. But yeah, that's pretty much, let's see what else. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you're on the verge of FSD, like I said, if you have the money, go for the $8,000 pay up front. But if on the edge or something, you're not sure, you can always subscribe monthly, right? And then try it out and see how you like it. And if you want a Model S and X, and this is the time, because eventually, other than that, you can just buy the used one. And Tesla updated the autopilot. Now they call it like CD cruise something. It's because of, I guess, due to lawsuits and stuff like that. People literally take it as autopilot, whether they have to drive. So, but don't forget, if you're already a Tesla owner and you want any aftermarket upgrades, check on my descriptions. I have a lot of affiliates partners. You click on the link, you get like anywhere from 5% all the way up to 20% off, depending on the type of item you purchase, whether wheel covers, lights, leather seats, floor mats, you name it. There's a lot of them, like blind spot monitoring. So check it out. See what you might like. Spoilers, something make your calipers covers, the brakes. The one that I have right now, it's awesome, right? It's beautiful. No complaints there. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Feel free to give it a like, subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.